For this video, I have the ears hooked up to the motor, so we can start the motor up and the interior's run. Alright, let's go into the interior. I already moved out the engine compartment cover out of the way. Motor looks very clean. We're here to controls. Trim works very nicely. I'm just going to go ahead and pump it up. Go ahead, turn the key. Motor starts right up. Very smooth. Right now it's idling. Everything's working as it should. Here's the exhaust from the outside. Go ahead, hop into gear. So now we're in gear. See the propeller spinning. Get my camera all wet. Over here the tach is working, doing 1,000 RPM. That's 40 pounds of oil pressure. 14 volts. Back to neutral again. And off.